Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are already aware about it that CSIR has officially announced their scorecard and the final answer key is also there on the official website. We'll talk about both of these things, but the more interesting part of this video is I'll help you to understand how you can calculate your rank. Also, I'll let you know like whether you will be able to predict that whether you have qualified JRF LS or not. Okay, so that's the whole video is going to be all about. So first of all, let's understand this is the website. I will give you a link to reach out to this page. You can clearly see in the public notices. The first thing is that declaration of scores for joint CSIR NET exam. You can click on this link and you will see that there is a link which says, there is a PDF which says that how many students appeared for exam, how many like different genders, according to different genders and according to different subjects, how many students have appeared for the exam and how many of them were registered. Now this is an important number over here. We will be talking about chemistry because this channel resonates with chemistry student, but you can use the same logic to apply it on any other subject. Okay, so there were 32,957 students who appeared for this exam. Okay, now coming back to the website, here if you click you can download the official final answer key and that's what you can get. Also, if you will log in and you will download your scorecard, in that case in your scorecard you will see that there is a very important thing written, that is your percentile. Okay, so in your scorecard the percentile plays very important role. If you have downloaded a scorecard, you might already know that there is a percentile given to you. So using your percentile, you can actually calculate what would be your approximate rank. So that's the more interesting part of this video. And let me explain you how to do that. Okay. So the formula which is used to calculate your estimated rank. Okay. So what we are calculating is estimated rank. And this can be calculated with this formula 1 minus P upon 100. And then you have to multiply this with 32,957, which was the number of candidates who appeared for chemical sciences. This is for chemical sciences. If you need to calculate the same thing for any other subject, all you have to do is just plug in the value. Okay, so if you want to calculate your rank for mathematical sciences, instead of writing 32,957, write down 26,114 and so on. Okay, you can calculate for all the subjects. Okay, and plus 1, because if somebody is having 100 percentile, if you write down 100 over here, 100, and this will make it 0, so it doesn't make sense. So that person will have rank 1, the one who has percentile 100. Okay, so that's the formula, and this is given on CSIR website, like it was given earlier also. I don't remember, I don't know whether this time they have mentioned it or not, but the formula remains same. You can use this formula to calculate your rank. Okay, just to give you an idea, I have made a list for this. So if your percentile is, like, I'll write down percentile, okay, and your rank, your approximate rank. Okay, so if your percentile is 99 percentile, in that case you are among top 1% candidates, and your rank will be, if you put everything over here, your rank will be approximately 330. Okay, that is going to be your approximate rank. Your rank will be 330 or better. If your percentile is 98, then you are among top 2% candidates, and in that case your rank is approximately 660. Okay, these are again approx values which I'm giving you. And if your percentile is 95 percentile, then you are among top 5% candidates, and it is approximately 1650. Okay, so this is going to be your rank. Like, you will have exact percentile in like 4 or 5 digits after decimal. So you can put the exact value over here, use your calculator to find out your rank. Okay, now what we are going to do now is we are going to do some data analysis. Okay? We are going to analyze based upon previous CSIR NET exam that what could be a safe score or a safe rank based upon your different categories that you will be able to qualify. Before going into that, let me tell you that if you see the previous result, which I will show you just now, CSIR does not informs category wise, it does not inform subject wise how many seats are there. Okay, so let me show you. So this is a result of CSIR July 2025 exam or June 2025 exam. And if you see, it just gives you that JRF, CSIR NET JRF, and there are total 984 JRF who have qualified under CSIR JRF category. And then if you come for UGC JRF, there are like 1866, and there are some Earth Science JRF, they are separately mentioned over here. And then these are just JRF which are CSIR JRF. They are just 9 of them. So they have just mentioned that how many total JRF they have. It includes all the 5 subjects. It includes chemistry, life sciences, mathematical sciences, physical sciences, earth and atmospheric sciences. So all the subjects are actually included. And the same thing goes for the category 2 result, which is when they talk about LS. Okay, so in that case also, like, they just give you that how many seats they have. Okay, yeah, so they just give you that, okay, there are, oh, this is for category 3, these are only for PhD only, so these many candidates qualified for PhD only. Again, they don't mention about subject. So that's what I have done some data analysis for this. Okay, I'm just giving a very a range basically to you, a lower cap and the upper cap based upon that. So approximately like if you see the last year of how many candidates appeared, so there are like 22% candidates of the total number of candidates is for chemistry. Okay, so if you see how many candidates appeared for this exam, there are like total 1,54,080 students who appeared, out of which 32,000 appeared for chemistry. So it becomes around 22%. Okay, which is, if you share it with the rank or with the seats which we have, so let's consider that total JRF seats are, let's say 2,800, or let's say 3,000. Okay, just to be, or let's keep it 2,800 just for a conservative approach. So 22% of it for chemistry. Okay, I'm just making it according to statistics. There is nothing about it how CSIR mentions it anywhere. Okay, so chemistry JRF seats comes anywhere around 600 to 750. Okay, these many seats we have for chemistry JRF. Now that means these many students are going to be qualified as JRF from chemistry subject. Now this does not mean that if your rank is above 600, or if your rank is like around 550 or something, you will be JRF, because here a very important thing comes, that is reservation. Okay, so based upon that, considering all these things, it becomes a very narrow gap or a very narrow strip of rank for different categories, which can be considered as safe score and can be considered as upper and lower unit or upper and lower cap of it. Okay, so this is just based on my analysis. This data which I'm going to present now should not be considered as final result, but just for the speculation of it. Okay, we can discuss about it. You can let me know in the comment section if you have your own thoughts, but this is my opinion. Okay, so if I talk about JRF, okay, I have just made a list of it. So for JRF chemistry, okay, so if you talk about unreserved category, so I will give you a safe score, okay, which will be upper cap, sorry, which will be lower cap. So if your rank is better than this, okay, you should be happy. And then I have upper cap, which is like, it could happen. I mean, upper cap is the range up till which it depends whether if CSIR has more seats this time, then this range can be true. Okay, so that's the range I'm giving to you. So for unreserved category for JRF in chemistry, if your rank is, and this is all about rank, okay, I'm talking about rank. So okay, so if your rank is better than 200, you are in safe zone, you should be qualified for JRF. Okay, you should be happy with it. The upper cap is 250. So if your rank is better than 250 and you belong to unreserved category, there are high chances that you will be considered as JRF. For OBC, the lower cap is, the safe rank is 300. So if your rank is better than 300, you can consider yourself to be JRF qualified. The upper cap is 360. Okay. So that's the upper cap. For EWS, okay, this goes like 350 and upper cap is 400. This is just a speculation based on the previous results and all. Then comes your SC candidates. For them, if your rank is better than 450, you can consider yourself on a safe zone, and upper cap is 520 marks. For ST candidates, it's better than 500 and upper cap is 580. If your ranks are better than this rank which I have shown, there are high chances that you will be JRF qualified. Okay. If I talk about LS, okay, I'll just do it here itself. So if I talk about LS, okay, for LS, yeah. So for unreserved category, because in LS we have more number of seats. So for unreserved category, the lower cap is 600. Okay, so green color is for LS. Okay, so if your rank is better than 600, there are high chances that you will be LS qualified, and upper cap is 750. Okay. For OBC, it's 800 to 950. For EWS category, it is 900 to 1100. For SC category, it is 1100 to 1250. For ST candidates is 1200 to 14. Okay. If your rank is better than this, you can consider yourself as LS qualified. So green color over here shows for LS safe score and upper cap. Upper cap means this gives you a range. If your rank is better than this, so this will be true if the seats will be more for JRF, if the seat exceeds from 2800. If the seats remain around this, then the lower cap will work. Okay, so this is purely statistics. This is purely data analysis which I have done. Do let me know in the comment section what rank you guys have got, what percentile you are getting. You can definitely calculate your rank with this particular formula. This is official, so you can use it very safely. And if you have any other thought, you can let me know in the comment section below. I just thought to make this video to give you a rough idea, do some maths before the results are there. Again, I'm giving a big disclaimer that wait for the final result, which will be announced in a day or two. Consider that as the final result. This is just my analysis, my speculation. I could be wrong. Okay, a human being. I have just done it based on my experience. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my side for this particular video. All the best for your final result, final cutoff. I hope that a lot of you qualify for this exam. Do let me know if you have any queries or anything to discuss in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.